Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to draw rectangles in Autocad software, Salapani software. I'll be using the Autocad 2020 version. If you're using some other version, that's okay. There are no major changes in any of the versions. And I'll click on start drawing from here. And now we are on a new drawing area. So to say about the rectangle command, it is available here in the draw panel. So next to the rectangle command, there is a small arrow. If you click on which, you can see rectangle and polygon command separately. So you can start the rectangle command from here as well. Got it? Now I press the escape key. So now let us draw some rectangles. But before that, just make sure you have the dynamic input option on. So if it is off, just come to the dynamic input option and turn it on. It's because if you keep the dynamic input option on, you don't have to keep looking at the command line for the suggestions. So now let us draw some rectangles. So I come to the rectangle command here and I click on it. So now it is asking for the specify first corner point. So now I'll enter the x and y coordinate values for the first corner point. So I'm going to enter 0 as the x coordinate value. Now press the tab key from the keyboard to come to the next box where you can enter the y coordinate value. I enter 0 here as well and press the enter key. So a rectangle will start from the origin where the x and y values are 0 and 0 respectively. So now it is asking for the specify other corner point for the rectangle. So I'll enter the value as 75 tab 50 as the x and y coordinate values and I press the enter key. Can you see now I have a rectangle. So in this way you can draw rectangle using the coordinate values. You can also draw rectangles using different ways. Now let us try some of them. So I come to the rectangle command again. So I click somewhere on the screen. This time I'm not going to select any x and y coordinate value. I just click it over here. So that is my start point. Now if you look at the command line, you can see area, dimension and rotation. So now let us try the area. So I click on it. So now it is asking for the enter area of the rectangle. So I type something like 100 as the area for the rectangle. Now it is asking for the value of length or width. The area of the rectangle formula is area is equal to length into width. So area we know. So now out of length and width we have to be knowing one value. So I imagine I know the value of length. So I enter the value of length. If you want to change the value to width, you can click on width. Now it is in length. So I'm going to enter the value as 20. Okay, you have to click on one of the option here. So I click on length here. So now enter the value of length. I enter 20. So now I have a rectangle with the length 20 and width is automatically calculated depending on the formula because the area I enter was 100 and the length was 20. So 100 divided by 20 will be 5, which will be the width. This one here. Got it? So now let us try the other type of rectangle. But before that, let me draw one circle, a small circle. Now I come to the rectangle and I select the first corner point as the center point of the circle. So my rectangle is starting from there. Now let us try the dimension, the second one in the command line. So now you can enter the length and width and the rectangle will appear. Now it is asking for the specify length for the rectangle. So I'll go with maybe 50. Press the enter key. Now it is asking for the width. So I'll go with 25. And the rectangle is currently attached to the crosshair and you can change the position. Maybe here, maybe here, maybe here or here. So I drew that circle just to make you understand that the first corner point will be fixed. So I maybe place it over here. Got it. So now let us try the one more option. So I click over here as the first corner point. Now I click on rotation here and you can enter some angle for the rectangle. So I go with maybe 45. I press the enter key. Now the rectangle is at 45-degree angle. So you can specify the other corner point. So I randomly place it over here. So these are some of the rectangles that you can draw in AutoCAD software. So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.